Kapwal, Emerald Going Diamond, Devang and Tejal Goradia from Houston, Texas. And thank you, Sriram. It was really wonderful hosting. Guys, give a big round of applause to Sriram. And particularly today's a lot of demos happen for the products, and particularly Ajit and Dipali, wonderful demos for different products, and Pratyush shared those products, really excellent. Give a big round of applause to all the products. So guys, today's our topic is very simple. It's a part of a 9-core step, and these 3 items which basically we take it for the personal development, and that is where we are going to cover it. And topic wise, how association, book and CD helps in the business. So basically what we understand here is we put it as a ABC, association, book and CD. It's basically a fundamental for any business. That's what we are taking it. And as I learned from CDs as well as the leaders, see, this business requires couple of things. One is belief, and that belief you can get it through association, book and CDs. I think Hina is writing on my behalf. So first belief requirement is Amway. Whether Amway is a genuine company, Amway is a right company, Amway pay the people, or because people heard so many things. Is it a good or bad? So that's where you need to get a belief. So there, once you attend the association, you can see people are really going on the stage. They are making money, and you can feel that. Same thing is BWW. That's a system where we learn all the education. Because this business is a people's business. It's not that just the collecting people or gathering people. It's a business of having a people, and particularly Bill Breed, the main. He says that we are in a business of educating people, or that is where it works. So that's where you can see that by this education you can keep people or team united, and you can grow along with. So that's one thing. And the third one is CDs. CDs are basically different type of people. They have built this business differently, and these people are in a different. But before I start, I think Hina has prepared a lot of things, and I wanted Hina to share ABC part of it. So here is Hina.
Okay, I think you have said a lot of it what I wrote, so thanks. I'll keep it very short. As Dave said, when we get somebody started, what comes in the mind? Can I succeed in this business? Can I sponsor people? Will my friend listen to me? Will my family members listen to me? And what is the main goal of people joining the business? To make money. And for making money, what do? We retail the products and we sponsor people. But in order to Amway makes best of the best product, we can take a product knowledge from the PACE meetings. But most importantly, all the hidden questions. My upline had a very smart way. He said, instead of answering questions, she always guided me to listen to the CD. And as a new person, we tell that at least when you get started, listen to at least 25 rally CDs, because from people from bus conductor to very successful businessmen, from high school dropout to Nobel Prize nominee, we can find all type of diamonds in BWW. Everybody has succeeded. Those people who were on book, CD and association, who are regularly attending this, because we all are having a children here, right? And we ourselves also studied to wherever profession we are doing right now, working, we studied for so many years. So when we get started, we are new for this business. And in order for us to do retailing and of course sponsoring in a better way, we need education, we need to develop a business mindset and entrepreneurship, and basically people skills we need. So for that, books help me to get belief in myself, and it teaches me the business mindset, and CDs gives me a belief in BWW system that I can succeed. And association is a major thing, because how many years of education we did, if I don't go to regularly to the schools, can I pass? If I just go to 1 week, I cannot pass, I cannot get a degree. In the same way, association, especially the first open of the month, when we go and see different pin baking, people going on stage, it gives me the belief that if I am going to put the work, I can also be on the stage one day. And that is why it is very important, like any profession, like people working in IT, they have their own IT association, like or engineers, they have engineers association, like alumni, where they meet people and find out. In the same way, here we are in a business, we associate with business people. So book, CD and the association is something which helps me to develop personality which is required for this business, because my upline Double Diamond, who those who are new here, he always says that the way to do sponsoring better, these three are must. If you have these three properly, you can succeed. Even if 1 year we cannot sponsor anyone, but we are regular on this, we can do sponsoring much better and very fast we can grow. With that, back to Daven.
Awesome, guys. The second thing is what we should do as a new IBO to get maximum advantage of BWW systems. So everywhere they are talking about a system, and as Ina rightly said, it's education. See, idea is why we join a business. See, if you see people come for this business, they have different goals or different dreams to come out in the business. To start with, maybe initially something to achieve, but then eventually final goal will be, if you ask any of the people or they are succeeded in the business, they will say that it's a financial freedom, because that's where you can enjoy your life. You have time, you have money both, and then security. All the three things are there. So how we get it? See, like first thing, we wanted to come out from the job, and at the same time what they say is we have to come out from the Amway, because if we are doing like a lot of people go on day-to-day selling and all sort of things, but that's a regular, you have to do it month after month. Idea is to free. When you have a team of people doing small things, eventually you get a bigger things, and that's why we are working on it, and there the education plays a major role. So this education system BWW, if we really wanted to take advantage, this is one of the small, for the new people, this is one of the small the association where you can learn how the products are there, how the business is there, and the different steps of the business. So that's how it is useful for this one. And the last this one is why it is important to be consistent in this business. See, consistency is Ina just explained, but if you take about if somebody is going to gym and he has a membership for a gym, if you see, ask 90% of the people going to gym will not reduce their weight. Reason is they are not consistent in that. But 5 to 10%, those who are really working hard to reduce or do the workout, they will definitely achieve it. So it's the same thing in this business. So anything we do, if we do it persistent and consistent, results are definitely sure, and that is what happens. Now, as we said that there is a mega functions coming up in end of next month, that is 29th, 30th June, and Crown Ambassador is one of the highest pin in Amway. From China is coming, and he is going to share how they have built this business. At the same time, there is a Double Diamond from Thailand, Smarom, he is also coming. So these are the functions come, so that if any doubts of you really wanted to build a big business, you should book your calendar and make yourself available for this function, and that will definitely change the things. So with that, we have come to end of this today's session, and once again give a big round of applause to all of you. And our goals are very clear. We are definitely showing 20 plans and sponsoring 6 new IBO. That's a done deal, and starting our Founders Platinum SIPs from September. That's also a done deal. back to the host.